Okay guys, this is a very quick video I'm gonna do. Welcome to my channel on Tashify. This photo I really like it because it's so simple and you can use it for many different purposes. What I see is that I can use it for my marketing message. It's a lot of text space here. I can write some nice text about my brand or whatever marketing message I have, and it's a simple source of light from the top. So how I did it is, let's take a look on that. We will reset it. So this was the original photo from the beginning, and it's just a lamp. The half portion of the lamp, it's a plain wall in the back of that lamp, and then it's a light source. So what I think is that it's very interesting. I would like to increase some exposure on that so I can really highlight the texture on that lamp, and then I would like to add some contrast. I will bring down some black values and whites so I can see the light here, so it should not be blown out so much. I would like to add some shadows, and then I would like to even bring down a little bit of the exposure, because I want to get rid of these grains. It's some noise down here, so let's fix it here, and then that's pretty much it. And then I will just convert it into black and white, and that's it. This is a photo, and now you could see that the wall behind it is yellow. If you want, you can load some values on the yellow and oranges, but it will also affect the lamp. What you can do is that also go down a little bit on the shadows actually, and it will also make it more jet black. So this is how this photo is. Here you have a lot of space here for the text. You can write a slogan of your brand name or whatever marketing message you have. It could be a good post for social media or also for the print medium. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and also subscribe my channel, and I will be posting more and more videos like this. Hi guys, this is Tabish, and you are watching this beautiful slideshow on my YouTube channel Tashify. I have done this slideshow, I have done this photo shoot today out in the woods today with my daughter, and I have found extremely beautiful scenes you can capture with your camera. And it was rainy and winter is coming in Sweden, but I found this incredible locations, small things you can photograph, and you can tell a story with those clicks. Like this piece of wood, so much details in it to capture, and I just put it together, so hopefully you will like it. If you like this video, please give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe my channel. Have a good day. Enjoy the slideshow. Bye bye.